Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya Trans. Now in this video we are talking about how your hardware communicate with your softwares, okay, with your programming. So lots of people are confused between hardware and a software, and after watching this video you have very clear idea about how these hardware and software works. Okay, so this diagram I take it from the Frank D. Petruccia book for RS Logics. This is the best book, you can buy it. Okay, so this diagram tell you about how your hardware communicate with the software. So this is the input side, okay, this is the input module and this is the output module. Okay, this is the output module. Okay, we connect some switches here. This is the normally close push button and this is a simple switch. So normally this switch pass the supply, and when you press it, it comes down just like that. This comes down like and open the path. Okay, and when you release it, it just goes to its normal position. Okay. So I give you a simple idea. If anything which you connected or on your input side give you a signal, just take it as a signal. PLC take it everything which you give input to the hardware, just take it as a signal. Okay, so suppose this is the normally close push button and you are not pressing it, so this just pass the supply. Okay, this passing the supply, and passing the supply means this bit is on, this bit is on means when we talk about the computers, the on for the computer means 1. Okay, so this basically is send a 1 signal. And what is this? I:1/0, I:1/0. I means input, 1 means this is the one number module. This is what is the meaning of this 0? Because this is the 0 point. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is basically a 8-bit module. Okay, so when you send a 1 signal, it is stored by the data files. I also tell you in earlier lectures that data file store the status of the bits. So this switch basically turn on this bit. Okay, so data file store the status. So here you can see that I:1/0, it store the status of this bit. Okay, 1, and this switch is open and not passing any supply. So the signal on this point is 0, and it also send it to the data files. So this is 0. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Now you make a program in your programming device, suppose in your laptop, and you transfer this program to the CPU. So you just connect these two switches, these two addresses in series. So I connect this normally open button and another normally open button with the output O:3/0. This is the third module, so O:3/0, and the address of this is I:1/0, I:1/1. Okay, so you transfer this program to this CPU. So your program file just capture the status in every scan cycle from the data files. So he just data file just transfer the status of these bits to the program file, and when this normally open button, this is the normally open, which normally open get a signal of 1, it closes the path. So it close the path. Suppose just take it just like this. Okay, it close the path, but this I:1/1 is getting signal 0 and it just open. Okay, 0 means do nothing. Okay, do nothing, and 1 means turn on. So when it turn on and this is turn off. So suppose this, take it as a supply. Here you have a current. Just I'm just telling you, just to explain you, there is a no current in softwares. There is just a logical wiring. This is just a logical wiring. These softwares are built for the electrical engineer. That's why program software engineers make it simple by using the same terminology as a switch. Okay, so suppose this is the current, and current can't go through this path because this is open. Okay, because this point getting a zero signal. Zero means off. So you are not getting any current, anything at output. So this bit is 0 again. This bit is 0. Okay, this bit is 0, and the status of this bit again go to the data files. Okay, data files basically store the status of your bits. Okay, now you are getting 0 here. Okay, and this status of this bits transferred to your output addressing again. ये क्या हो गया, आउटपुट एड्रेस, दिस ट्रांसफर टू योर आउटपुट एड्रेसिंग अगेन. ओके, सो it give a zero signal to your real output point. Okay, real output point. And if you are give zero signal to your real output addressing, your motor not gonna be turn on. This is, suppose this is the LED and LED is off now. Okay, okay, now someone is telling you, I just close this switch, and if they close this switch, this address is the signal send it to this point is 1, and this convert it into the 1. You are getting also 1 here. So this normally open switch in the software passes the supply, is just basically turn on. And when this switch is also give a 1 signal, then this is turn on, and you get a output here. Okay, you get a output here 1. Okay, so here we get 1, and now this status of this output bit is transferred to the output file again, and you get a 1 here, and then now you are getting 1 on this point. The meaning of 1 is to just turn on this, whatever this is, motor or LED, it turn on. Okay, now you can understand how hardware and your software communicate. This is the program which you transfer to the CPU. Okay, now you can understand this. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. I love to give a solution to every of your problem. I don't think I speak very nice English, but my concept is very clear. So I hope you like this lecture, and you can ask me your any doubt. Thank you very much.